Welcome to Digital Small Biz Marketing's YouTube channel, where we share useful tips to help you with your marketing experience. We share an insight on what it's like to be at a digital marketing agency and a little bit of what we do. We try to help out the community and give back, of course. Feel free to always reach out to us for any consultations in any way we can help you. If your marketing feels like it's not working, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes I see small businesses make every single day and how to fix them fast. I've seen this happen with businesses who have amazing products, but their message or strategy keeps them invisible. Let's fix that today. Mistake number 1. You're trying to talk to everyone. When you do that, no one feels like you're talking to them. Instead, define one clear audience. Use language they relate to, focus on their pain points, and show you understand their world. Example, instead of saying, "We help small businesses grow," say, "We help local service businesses get more clients through digital ads." That clarity changes everything. Mistake number 2, inconsistent content. You post once a month, then disappear. Consistency builds trust, even more than quality sometimes. Start simple, 1 video per week. If you post per week, stay visible. You can repurpose one video across multiple platforms, just like we do at Digital Small Biz Marketing. Mistake number 3, you're not asking for the sale. Great content builds trust, but if you never tell people what to do next, they'll never act. Every post or ad should guide your audience. Click the link, book a call, or even follow for more. Don't assume people know the next step. Spell it out for them. Mistake number 4, you're not tracking your results. Posting without checking what's working is like driving with your eyes closed. You need to know what's getting clicks, what's driving messages, and what's wasting time. Even simple tools like Meta, Insights, Google Analytics, or built-in platform stats can show you what to double down on. And finally, mistake number 5, no trust building content. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. Show your face, share the behind the scenes moments, talk about your client's success. Even small things like showing your progress or a quick testimonial goes a long way. Let's recap the 5 mistakes you can fix today. 1, talking to everyone. 2, being inconsistent. 3, no call to action. 4, no tracking. 5, not building trust. If you fix even one of these this week, you'll start seeing results. Which one do you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more small business marketing tips from Digital Small Biz Marketing.